If you have bananas and minced meat at home, make this recipe. I have 5 plantains here and I'm going to peel them. Once they've been peeled, we'll cut them into slices like this. Once the bananas are sliced, we'll take a baking pan and grease it with olive oil, and we'll brush this olive oil on the bottom of the pan. Once this is done, add the banana slices. Remember that it can't be green, it has to be almost ripe or even very ripe. Once you've placed all the slices, add a little more olive oil and brush over the bananas. Put the bananas in the oven to bake at 200 degrees for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the meat in a frying pan. Add the olive oil, a chopped onion, and 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Let the garlic and onion fry. When they've been frying for 3 minutes, we'll add 600 grams of ground beef. We'll stir and let the meat fry until it's very crumbly. At this point, we can add 2 diced tomatoes. And stir again. This recipe is a huge success. The taste is incredible. Everyone who eats here at home always asks me for the recipe. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of salt, black pepper to taste, a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of oregano, then half a cup of tomato sauce. Stir until all the ingredients are combined. Now put the lid on and let it cook for 10 minutes, stirring from time to time. Look how wonderful this meat is. And our bananas are already roasted and we're going to put them on a platter. Making a layer first to cover the bottom of the dish. Then we'll make the next layer with the meat we've prepared. Spread it out until the bananas are covered. Once that's done, we'll add grated mozzarella cheese, the amount to taste. Then we'll make another layer of bananas and it's going to be delicious. It smells wonderful. Now let's put the rest of the meat on. And we'll finish with grated mozzarella cheese. The amount is to taste and also a little Parmesan cheese. Now put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 25 minutes. And look at that! This banana lasagna with minced beef is a hit. There's never any leftovers and everyone wants more. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.